Hi, Mr. K2MCS. Today I have a quick video for you on a Blizzard SG1. Gonna do a quick demo. This is a brand new build with a new configuration with the rail and a carry handle with a new lightning bolt handguard here. So let's see how it shoots. Got orange magazine, so don't worry about the magazine. Back to back, shoot. All right, shoots great. So gonna swap out another magazine. I love this clear magazine. You can see the projectile in the magazine this way. If you have a jam or a misfed or something like that, you can see exactly what's going on. And it looks pretty cool when you put them through your gun right there. See how that is? You can see how many rounds you have, and if you are changing projectile, you see exactly what's going on there. So let's stick some more target. Wow, that's a pretty good shooter. Alright guys, if you have any question, comment, or concern about this Blizzard SG1, contact us and visit mcsus.com and you can order this marker directly on the site. Thank you for watching.